Hi, this video tutorial is about the relative pronoun clauses in stage 15 of Cambridge. All right. So the first thing we're going to focus on is just the word, the relative pronoun. Okay. In English, this is a WH word. Okay. This is me saying the student who is amazing is in my class, or that rock over there, which is big, is heavy. All right. So we have like who or whom or which, or we could even say that, but I'm going to keep using which here just to keep it consistent. So WH words. In Latin, these are QU words. Now, some of these you've already seen, like quis means who or quid means what. But QU words also are relative pronoun clause, relative pronouns and relative pronoun clauses. So look at our screen here, and you can see that in the first sentence, we've got we're. And now I've kind of done a little Langlish here, right? So the we're, who sees me is nice. And so this relative pronoun would be qui. So we're, qui me videt est suavis, okay? We would have the same thing if we have a puella, though. We're going to change that to quai. So puella, quai me videt, the girl who sees me. Even though, of course, in English, it's still just who, isn't it? Now, in the neuter, so I picked soxum, right, a rock. We've got quod, right? So the rock, the soxum, quod me videt, which, by the way, would be pretty weird, right? I don't think it's going to be seeing anything. So I've said which rolls down the street is big. So soxum quod. So we're qui, puella quai, soxum quod. Now, the really nice thing is when you make these things plural, the qui and the quai stay the same. Notice, look, it's the weary, it's the men who see me. Well, still weary qui. Puellae, the girls, puellae quai, me vident. So it's still the same, qui or quai. That's kind of really nice, okay? The neuter plural, just like we know with regular neuter plural nouns, the plural ends with an A, right? Datum, data, data, right? Bacterium, bacteria. Well, we have kind of this A showing up again here in quai. So the plural of quod is quai in the nominative, all right? Now, I want to also show you the accusatives. Now, we're going to limit it to just the nominative and the accusative, which is really nice. And so the accusative would be used, of course, if it is the object. Now, let me get this maybe down on one single page here. It might help us out. Okay, so the accusative here is used when it is the object of that verb in the relative pronoun clause. So I've used roughly the same sentence, but notice up above it was the man who sees me. Well, here it's the man whom I see. Okay, now just like in English, we threw an M at the end, right? M. Well, just like in Latin here, we have an M. So notice our regular rule about accusative singular was we just add an M. So quem, quam. All right, remember the nominative was qui and quai. Well, the accusative is going to be quem and quam. So the we're, quem ego video, or the puella, quam ego video, whom I see. Now, remember the neuter rule here is that the word just stays the same in the nominative and accusative, so that's really nice. Here's quod, right? So whether you're saying the rock which rolls down the street or the rock which I, ego, video, which I see, it's still just quod, so that's really nice. In the plural, we're going to follow basically the same rules that we know. You know, we make plurals by adding s's. So quos, so the weary whom I see, the men whom I see, weary quos ego video, and then puellae quas ego video, the girls whom I see. All right, now just like we talked about, to make a neuter word plural, we add an A, and the nominative and the accusative are the same. So here's quai again. Remember, it was quai in the nominative plural, the soxa which, quai, per viam, rolls down. I can't think of the Latin word right now. Well, here are the rocks which I see, quai ego video, sunt magna, sunt ingentes. Okay, so pretty much the same rules, even though the QU makes it look a little bit strange, but it's the same rules that we already know. Good luck.